Welcome to the path of infinite compassion. Today we are ending the error of seeking love outside of yourself and remembering that you are the love you've been looking for. Let's begin with the vertical breath. Inhale from your heart, pulling the warm 528 hertz light up to your crown. Hold it at the peak, feeling your own sweetness. And as you exhale, release the weight of every not enough story you have ever told yourself. You are now activating your radiant heart. Ascending to level 1. 20% elevation. Feel the walls around your heart beginning to soften. You are clearing away the judgment, the guilt, and the old mirrors that told you that you were anything less than divine. You are a vibe above the need for external validation. You are safe to be kind to yourself. Rising to level 2, 45% elevation. Imagine looking into a mirror and seeing your future self looking back with absolute unconditional love. They aren't proud of you for what you do. They love you for who you are. You are a vibe above the voice of the inner critic. Your worth is non-negotiable. Moving into level 3, 70% elevation. Your heart is now a sun, radiating a 528 hertz frequency that heals every cell in your body. This compassion is a magnet. Because you love yourself so deeply, the world has no choice but to reflect that love back to you. You are a vibe above the struggle for affection. You are the source. 90% elevation. You are now merging with the frequency of divine love. You realize that you are not just a person seeking love. You are love in physical form. Every breath is an act of romance with the universe. You are cherished. You are protected. You are whole. 100% turbocharged. Fully activated. You are a vertical pillar of self-love and compassion. You are complete. You are worthy. You are home. Carry this warm, radiant authority into your week and watch how the world softens to meet you. And so it is.